Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Citibank Simplicity Card to your online banking, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect your Citibank Simplicity Card to your online banking, start by visiting the Citibank website. Locate the login section on the home page. Enter your user ID and password. If you don't have an online account, click on the option to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your online banking account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section. Look for the option labeled Link a new account or Add a card. Select the Credit Card option. Enter your Citibank Simplicity Card number. Provide any additional information requested, such as the expiration date and security code. Review the entered details for accuracy. Submit your request by clicking the link or save button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your card has been successfully linked. If you encounter any errors, double-check the information entered and try again. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, navigate back to the Accounts section. Your Citibank Simplicity Card should now appear in your account overview. You can manage your card settings and view transactions directly from your online banking dashboard. Remember to log out of your account when finished for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.